exams for me officially start from tomorrow. Wish me luck. I'm still continuing Vlogmas and I have exams, so yeah. Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. Today we have day 6 of Vlogmas. If you didn't already know, I'm doing Vlogmas this year, which basically means I'm going to be posting one video every day starting December 1, ending December 25th. And today we have day 6 of it. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my Jaclyn Hill palette, which my mom got me a few weeks ago actually. I posted a picture of it on my community tab and also on my Instagram story, and this is how it looks like. I have actually used it 3 times till now, and I just want to tell you guys my experience with it and should you invest in buying it or not, and yeah, also the swatches because why not. But I have another background change, and I want you guys to comment just one thing on this video. Which background is your favorite out of all of them? This is my room's background, but the other side, if you're getting me, the side which I'm looking at right now is the one which I filmed on yesterday. Just let me know which background is your favorite out of all of my videos. Now let's move on to the video. So the packaging is very nice. I think it's a really well packaged product. I got it in like a cardboard box which was wrapped with thick bubble wrap, so it none of the product would get damaged, and it also comes with like a cardboard box which I unfortunately don't have, and the palette comes inside it. It is like a large palette, like you can see it is pretty huge, and now it's time for the big reveal. I'm going to be opening it. I mean, I know what it looks like. Look at how beautiful it is. It is like gorgeous. Look at the shade range. Oh my god, I love it so much. Like, yeah, I'll talk about if I like it or not ahead in the video. Now, first, let's move on to the swatches. Unfortunately, the color names are not actually written on the palette itself. As you can see, there is nothing written about the colors. But yeah, the range and the variety of the colors is beautiful. Not to sound like a professional or something because I don't really know a lot, but yeah, it looks very beautiful and the pigmentation is really nice as well. I'm going to be doing the swatches, but I'm not going to be showing that on camera because then this video would be huge, and that is not applicable for Vlogmas because editing takes time. So I'm going to be doing that, and then I'm going to be including a video of the swatches and of course a picture. So yeah. Okay, I did all the swatches. It looks way lighter on camera than it looks in real life, so don't get fooled by that. But the colors are actually super pigmented. Here are all the colors. It took me both my hands and, as you can see, my fingers. So yeah, those are the shades. You guys just saw the swatches of this palette right now, and you can tell those swatches were amazing. Just keep in mind that on camera they don't look as dark as what they are in real life. To just give an example, it is at least 50 times more pigmented than what it is looking like on camera, and I'm not exaggerating this because come on, why would I? So now coming on to my experience with the palette, the pigments are actually really good quality, and the packaging is amazing. It has magnets, as you can hear right now. Like, it pulls it and it creates this beautiful ASMR sound. Yeah, that sound, it is so mesmerizing. So considering everything, the packaging, the quality, the quantity, we get all three in this palette. It is a little bit on the expensive side, but considering how expensive makeup is nowadays, it is not that expensive, to be honest, and you can actually get it if you are looking for a good palette that would last you for a long time. I think this will at least last me for the next 5 years. So you can see me using it in my videos if I ever make a makeup tutorial. So yeah, my experience with it was amazing. I actually have made one look with it, which I will definitely include a picture of that right now. For all time's sake. So, overall, this palette is definitely a 10 on 10. I think probably a 12 on 10. and I love it so much. It looks beautiful, it works beautifully, it is beautiful, and what could you ask for in a makeup palette? That is pretty much all. I love this palette. I'm saying this again, but I love this palette. So yeah. This video was very colorful, as you can see in front of your eyes right now. I can seriously stare at it for weeks and not get bored because of how beautiful it is. Enough blabbering. So now that was today's video. It was again makeup related, and you guys have been asking for a makeup tutorial, so maybe you are getting that a few days after. Maybe, I'm not guaranteeing it or anything. So that is basically it for today's video. For some reason, in case you guys enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also to hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my Miracle Fam members. That is pretty much all I wanted to say. You can definitely buy this palette and twin with me. So that is all I wanted to say. I'll see you guys in my next video tomorrow. Until then, goodbye.